Good morning, my Colorado friends. Today is Wednesday, June the 16th, and I'm Randy Flood. And in the Rates Go Up category, the Core Producer Price Index, which measures the inflationary pressures at the producer level of the economy, it was up 0.2%, which is really not too bad considering that when you take out food and energy, it was actually down. Now, in the rates go down category, housing starts were really down, building permits were down, home inventory was down, and once again, the PPI was the headline was more dramatic than what it should have been. Here's what's happening at the moment. As you can see, as I mentioned the other day, I believe that the trading range was going to be very flat until something drastic actually comes up. But if you take a look at it, we're still on an upward trend with this rally, not only for the 10-day moving average, but also for the 100 and the 200-day moving average. Now let's go on and take a longer look, and once again you can see how this measures up. And I like this because you can see we go up and then we come down a little bit, we go up, come down, go up, come down, and we're making just that little bit of correction, but once again we're on that upward trend. And when we take a look at the long-term period, and I've shown this chart many a time, but when you look at the 102, if you follow this line all the way out here, there's been very few times that we've actually broken it. And when we did break it, it went up and then significantly went down. But if you take a look here, and especially right now, we've been above the 102, and I think this may be the new trading range. I don't know how long it will last, maybe a day, a month, who knows. I would like to see it last for a long time. Now, this is what's happening in the bond market right now. You can see the ups and downs, and in reference to the lenders, today you can see 80 lenders have improved their pricings by 0.172 basis point, and 32 have lower pricing. As I shared with you last week, John Wooden, who was one of the best coaches ever around, that was one of the most winning as coaches, and really a super mentor to everybody, and just really defines success. And his definition of success is a peace of mind that is in the direct result of self-satisfaction in knowing you did the best to be the best that you are capable of becoming. So in other words, success is a peace of mind that is a direct result of self-satisfaction in knowing you did the best to be the best that you're capable of becoming. And that is very simple, but it is very, very huge. And you can see where John Wooden, as far as where he came up with this definition of success, because his dad taught him, don't try to be better than someone else, and also always be the best you can be. And that is really important, because you can't control the other person's performance, and we can't control how you'll be ranked compared to others, whether it's in sporting events or whatever, sales promotion. The only thing that you can control is really yourself. So really the bottom line is, at the end of the day, ask yourself, did I do the very best I could? And if the answer is yes, congratulate yourself. If the answer is no, we know where we need to start. And here's a summary. The residential housing starts were the worst since 1991. There's actually down 17% if you take out the multifamily increases, which were really high. Building permits down. The PPI, when you take food and energy and in consideration, they're talking about having deflation, which is also good for the bonds. The core index is basically unchanged, so that had very little effect upon us. Now, yesterday's Dow Jones rally should have really sparked a bigger bond sell-off. So that's really good, because that shows that right now the technicals are very, very strong. And once again, if we break above the 102 on the 10-year bond, I would look at a big rally. Now, the thought of the day: desire and passion will overcome any obstacle in your path. So if you really want to do something, you can. But if you just try and some obstacle or comes in your way, you say, oh, I didn't really want to do that anyway, or I didn't want to achieve that. You might as well not have tried at all. And it reminds me of Yoda. There is no try. You either do or you don't. So recommend go on and have the desire and the passion. And if you have that, you can overcome any obstacle in your path and reach higher levels of success. As always, wanting only the best for you.